Okay, so here's our two straps with the Velcro box stitched and the X running down, more or less down the middle. And the next thing we're going to do on the straps is we are going to use this template to cut the angle at the end. And in case you did not get a template in your package, what we've got here is a 2-inch, over a 2-inch width. We are going from a 1/2 inch down to the edge. So if you don't have one, call me, text me, email me, and let me know, and I'll send one to you. You can also, in the meantime, surely go ahead and make your own. So I'm going to show you on the next video how to use this.